Hello, and welcome to your mindfulness break. I am grateful again to be in the botanical gardens where things are green year-round, which is especially amazing. At the end, hopefully the end, of this very, very long Midwest winter in which there were record-breaking amounts of snow in the month of February. And I am comforted by this affirmation: I water the garden of my heart, which came to mind as I was reading a quote from this website, Aim Happy, that says, when you water the garden of your heart, it doesn't matter what the weather is like outside, you become your own sun, and everything else responds to your gravitational pull. So, here's wishing you some peace and some vibes as if you're in a tropical location. And to get started, we will do some cleansing breaths to kind of feel calm and at peace. And for this particular breath, it is going to be a segmented breath in which both the inhale and the exhale is segmented into 4 equal parts. So what that looks like is, for the inhale is, and the exhale. So instead of one long one, it's 4 smaller parts. For even more of an effect, you could definitely exhale out through the mouth, like to get rid of whatever doesn't serve you. Your cares of the day melt away. So let's get started with a few of those segmented breaths. All right, and since we were talking about the sun, might as well start with some sun salutations. A lot of times in yoga, as we inhale, the body goes up, and as we exhale, the body goes down. So we are going to start with inhaling the arms straight up overhead. Hands together, or palms together, exhaling down. Inhaling out. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Palms together, exhaling down. Inhaling out. Exhaling down. And one more. Inhaling up. Palms together, exhaling down. Inhaling out. Exhaling down. Okay, and now we're going to have the arms out again, and we are going to start by rotating the arms in small circles, and as we go, we're going to gradually make the arms bigger. This is a mindfulness exercise in which we're really paying attention to the size of the circles that we're making with our arms. So starting with a gradual moving the arms back, paying attention to the circles that we're making with our fingertips. Getting a little bit wider. Even wider until our arms go up closer to the ears. And now we're going to pause and go in reverse. And so we are going to do bigger circles and then go smaller. So paying attention to your fingertips, drawing huge circles, and gradually going to medium-sized circles, and slowing down to very, very small circles. Okay. And for the back, we are going to do a side stretch in which we put the right hand on the left leg, so it's an opposites game here. And we are going to put the other hand behind us, and we're going to inhale to lengthen the spine and exhale to twist. So inhale, lengthen the spine, exhale, twist, looking behind your shoulder. Back to center. This time left hand on right knee, right hand behind. Inhaling to lengthen the spine, exhaling to twist, looking behind the shoulder. So you feel it in your lower back. Let's do one more on each side. Right hand on left knee. Inhale to lengthen the spine, and exhale to twist. And left hand on right knee, right hand behind. Inhaling to lengthen, exhale to twist. All right, and for one last mindfulness exercise, we're going to put one hand on the heart, one hand on the belly, and as we are breathing, we're going to pay extra attention to the heartbeat and how the body feels as we inhale and exhale. So it's nothing about here is about judgment, it's just noticing. So inhaling, and exhaling. Noticing how the stomach contracts. Feeling the heartbeat. Inhale. And exhale. All right. Thank you so much for honoring yourself by taking a break to be mindful and present, which evokes calm, so that you can in turn radiate that calm and presence to others around you. Thanks so much.